how to find who blocked you on TikTok. So if you want to find who blocked you on TikTok, then what you need to do is first, you need to open up your TikTok application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. If you have seen a change in your followers list, like decrease in your followers list, then someone might have blocked you. Or the other way is you can just simply go back, go with your settings, go with your search, which will be in the top right. And from the search, you need to search for the username of that person. Once you've searched for the username of that person, if the person's account is nowhere to be found, then it means that the person might have blocked you. Or the other way is you can go with another device or another account, and from the other account, you can check that person's user ID. And if the user is available in your friend's account or in your other account and not in this account, then it means that the other person has blocked you on your account. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.